Hey guys, so before we start the video, I just want to say, just don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's gonna be a big help. We need more subscribers. Right now we only have 4. You probably couldn't have heard me because the dogs. Yeah. I don't know. So I'm just gonna sit this way. There. Give a thumbs up if you saw the dogs, and give a thumbs down if you didn't see the dogs. And if you just saw a little, just, subscribe. So, here are our chickens. We have about 100. I know that's a lot. So we're going to show you more that sky now. Didn't you see that? It's amazing. Hear that? You probably have watched one of my shorts called The Bird in the Tree. There was a meadowlark. We're going to show you that same meadowlark I was filming. So, that's the dogs barking. It's up here. Can't see it that good. See it basically. Right, it's in that tree. Come around side, zoom out a little. Yeah. So the nest is right there. Also, you can see a farm animals and so yeah, we have quite a few goats, about 20. That's 2, 0. I know. We have a lot. I'm gonna go see them, and you can too. Yeah, it's getting awfully dark. Here, I just have to light. This help? Yep. So, we have baby pigs. So I'll show them to you. Okay, I'll zoom out. That's the mom. The other piglets are there. So if you can't see that, you should see better. There's more over here. So yeah, just if you were wondering who that one's at, I'm just gonna tell you. She's helping my mom and dad load our pigs into a trailer. We're gonna go butcher them tomorrow. Actually, you can see Fury the farm dog. We like to call him that. Okay, I'll get a close-up of him there. He just disappeared. Okay, zoom out. This tree kind of crooked. I know. Yeah. Why? So, that's a hay bale notes. So, here's some trees. Here's our trees, that's a house. So later, when Adwine comes, I'll give a tour of the house. You see the pretty sky again? Right there. It's nice. So, I will like to end the video now. So just please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was an reading. I'll show you the garden just in case you haven't seen my first video from life part 1. It's part 1. So if I zoom out, open the door. It's just a palette. Corn is here. Here's our potatoes. There's a corn again. Here's another potato by itself. There's some corn. Then here's some more corn. And some zucchini. And a bunch of pretty sunflowers. More corn. Then some cucumbers. This is alfalfa. Pepper plants. I think this stuff is called Williams Quarter, and you can eat it. Yeah, it's edible. It's called this. It's in this sort of group called wild spinach. I'm gonna so this is a lupine. Here, this time. For you, please, don't forget to subscribe. Just don't, please. It's got a big help. We're almost at 5 subscribers. Yeah, I know that's pretty boring. This channel, yeah, it's only about 11 days old, but it won't be. It's actually like 13. So, this is Joseph Lavellis signing off.